We are taking a picture. We took a picture. We will take a picture. He is stealing the money. He stole the money. He will steal the money. I am standing in line. I stood in line. I will stand in line. She is sleeping on the bed. She slept on the bed. She will sleep on the bed. I am saying something funny. I said something funny. I will say something funny. He is paying for the food. He paid for the food. He will pay for the food. He is breaking the stick. He broke the stick. He will break the stick. I am buying fruits. I bought fruits. I will buy fruits. I am coming home. I came home. I will come home. He is shaking the bottle. He shook the bottle. He will shake the bottle. They are fighting over the toy. They fought over the toy. They will fight over the toy. I am feeding the dog. I fed the dog. I will feed the dog. He is going to school. He went to school. He will go to school. I am carrying my bags. I carried my bags. I will carry my bags. She is writing a story. She wrote a story. She will write a story. They are packing their bags. They packed their bags. They will pack their bags. We are decorating the room. We decorated the room. We will decorate the room. She is combing her hair. She combed her hair. She will comb her hair. He is doing his homework. He did his homework. He will do his homework. I am looking at the stars. I looked at the stars. I will look at the stars. She is folding the clothes. She folded the clothes. She will fold the clothes. He is sweeping the floor. He swept the floor. He will sweep the floor. I am watering the garden. I watered the garden. I will water the garden. He is washing the dishes. He washed the dishes. He will wash the dishes. We are cleaning the house. We cleaned the house. We will clean the house. I am baking a cake. I baked a cake. I will bake a cake. I am tying my shoes. I tied my shoes. I will tie my shoes. He is opening the box. He opened the box. He will open the box. He is catching the ball. He caught the ball. He will catch the ball. I am picking flowers. I picked flowers. I will pick flowers. She is talking on the phone. She talked on the phone. She will talk on the phone. He is studying for the exam. He studied for the exam. He will study for the exam. I am waiting for the bus. I waited for the bus. I will wait for the bus. I am lending her my pen. I lent her my pen. I will lend her my pen. He is fixing my bike. He fixed my bike. He will fix my bike. He is digging a hole in the sand. He dug a hole in the sand. He will dig a hole in the sand. They are building a tree house. They built a tree house. They will build a tree house. I am brushing my teeth. I brushed my teeth. I will brush my teeth. I am drinking milk. I drink milk. I will drink milk. We are watching a movie. We watched a movie. We will watch a movie. They are eating pizza. They ate pizza. They will eat pizza. He is wearing a jacket. He wore a jacket. He will wear a jacket. He is telling a story. He told a story. He will tell a story. I am tearing the paper. I tore the paper. I will tear the paper. He is swimming in the pool. He swam in the pool. He will swim in the pool.